So can you really get 400 subscribers in less than a month? Yes, and we're gonna talk about how. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you, and if you're returning, welcome back, gang. As you all know, I just started doing YouTube, and recently I just hit 400 subscribers. I made a post on Threads congratulating myself of my accomplishment, and I got a lot of people asking me, how did I do it? This video is all gonna be about how I achieve 400 subscribers. So let's get to the point and let's get into it. So the first thing that I did was I downloaded the Studio app on my phone, and I made sure that I had access to it on my computer. Now, the Studio app helps you keep track of your analytics. As you're keeping track of your analytics of your content, you're gonna be able to see what content really resonate with your viewers, so you can continue to produce that same content. Also, the notifications help me stay updated on my channel's growth. For an example, my subscriber milestone. Every time that I got a new subscriber, it just motivated me to get more. The Studio app also allows me to respond to my comments in real time. That way I can interact with my audience, and the more engagement allows me to get more subscribers. And we all want more subscribers. And now that we're done talking about the Studio app, let's get into the posting. Yeah, the posting. Are you posting enough? Let's get into it. When it comes to posting on my YouTube channel, I am posting every single day. Yes, every day. I know, it's tiring, I don't want to do it, it's time consuming, it's frustrating. Well, you know what? Being broke is frustrating too. So figure it out. The reason why I post videos every single day on YouTube is because I'm increasing my visibility. Increasing my visibility means that I am showing up in the search results, I'm showing up in suggested videos, and YouTube is just going to continue pushing out my videos. Thanks, YouTube. And by doing that, that means you're getting more likes, you're getting more shares, you're getting more comments, and you're going to get more subscribers. Uploading videos every day allows me to experiment my content style. So I'm able to see what thumbnails and what YouTube titles works best for my channel. Now we're down to the last thing that I did to get 400 subscribers in less than a month. And when I tell you, this was the hack of 2025. Wait. And that is Threads. Yes, Threads. If you do not have Threads, you need to get off of my video and go download it right now. I'll wait. When it comes to engagement and finding your tribe, your YouTube tribe, Threads is unmatched. Threads will find literally a unique way to connect you with people who just want to watch YouTube. Or you'll literally find people who have a YouTube channel too, and they just want to support you. Like, they are so supportive on Threads. Like, it just makes my heart so... I love Threads. I love Threads so much. Like, I wouldn't even be where I'm at today if it wasn't for Threads. Facebook and Twitter could never. When you are sharing updates of your YouTube channel on Threads, you're gonna get more traffic. You're gonna drive more traffic, you're gonna get more views, because Threads is like free promotion. It's like the ad, but without the payment. And me personally, I don't like paying for ads because I usually don't get what I want out of it anyway. So Threads is definitely the way to go. And I have higher visibility and actual organic growth. Now, when I say that, that means Threads is constantly pushing out new content for you. So you're always going to have someone new to engage with, someone new that can possibly subscribe to your channel. And if you're a new YouTuber like me, then we definitely need that growth. Well, everyone, that concludes my video. I really hope that those tips were able to help some of you guys out there. And if there's anything else that I can do to help, please let me know. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, comment, or if you're feeling generous, subscribe. So I love you guys, and until next time, bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget what I said about threads.